Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, January 25th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have high pressure leaving and a warm front that is approaching, and that's leading to increasing clouds throughout the region, but not much really is going on. Temperatures range from the lower to mid-teens over the interior, upper teens to lower 20s in your suburbs, mid-20s in the New York City metro and Long Island, and upper 20s to lower 30s around the Philadelphia metropolitan area and southern New Jersey. We have winds that are generally light and variable, but coming in from the north or along the coast around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and visibility is around 10 miles. When you take a look at the surface map, you can see high pressure is leaving, and this low pressure system and this cold front will be combining to lift northward and produce a pesky little, can't really call it a winter storm, but let's just call it a weather event for tonight on through tomorrow into early Wednesday morning. Now, on the radar, not much is really going on, but on the infrared satellite picture, it looks a little bit more impressive, right? Here's the good news. This storm, as it's approaching, is going to weaken. So a lot of these cold cloud tops are actually going to warm by the time they get here, but it'll still be enough to produce on and off light, wintry mixed precipitation of snow, sleet, and rain. When we take a look at the forecast for this storm, let me just break this down first of all by explaining that this is going to be very light precipitation. So any type of treatment on the roadways should really help to prevent much of the snow accumulation on the roadways. So for zone 1, this is where we're expecting pretty much light snow continuing on and off, starting late tonight, continuing on through tomorrow and into early Wednesday morning, with about 1 to 3 inches of snowfall expected in this area. This includes Long Island. Now, in Zone 2, this is where we have the best potential for what we call mesoscale banding. Most locations will be around that 2-inch mark, but there could be a couple of bursts that pushes you over that 2-inch mark, especially on Wednesday morning as this load departs and we get what's called an inverted trough. Zone 3, against most locations around that 1 inch, but you could push up to 3 inches in a few isolated locations, again, mostly on cold surfaces. This is, again, going to be a very light precipitation event, so don't look for, let's say, a steady snowfall or anything of that nature for any long period of time. And with this environment, you're also going to see a lot of mixing of sleet and rain in Zone 3. And in Zone 4, it's pretty much just a rain-snow mix with a trace to 1 inch, mostly setting up for tonight and then again on early Wednesday morning. So that's pretty much the setup for this first storm. So for today, increasing cloud cover, temperatures rising into the mid to upper 30s. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, look for a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and rain throughout the region. Again, light on and off. There's going to be periods where you won't see any precipitation at all with this storm. Low temperatures will range from the mid to upper 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, again, a mix of snow, sleet, and rain. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast, a few lower 40s down towards southern New Jersey. On Wednesday, the storm exits. A few lingering rain and snow showers will be departing the region, mostly snow showers, should I say. Low temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s. High temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s along the coast. Now, on Thursday, this storm down here basically bombs out off the southern mid-Atlantic coast, but it remains suppressed and to the south. So there's a threat for a few flurries and snow showers, especially right along the coast, but for the most part, we're looking at dry and windy conditions, and temperatures won't be moving all that much. So look for low temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid 20s to lower 30s along the coast, and then for high temperatures, pretty much the same range as temperatures go nowhere as Arctic air drains to the south. On Friday and Saturday, high pressure is going to be in complete control, cold but chilly and dry. So temperatures on Friday and Saturday will range from the lower teens, single digits to lower teens over the interior, mid to upper teens along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid-teens to lower 20s over the interior and mid to upper 20s along the coast. So it is going to be very cold. Then on Sunday, We have another storm that's approaching. Dry for most of the day, but look for snow to start to break out in the evening hours. Temperatures on Sunday will range from the single digits to mid-teens for lows and high temperatures in the lower to mid-30s. Now, the development of this storm is still very much uncertain for Sunday into Monday. The faster this transitions towards the coast, the more likely this ends up being a colder storm. If it takes longer to transition towards the coast, then you end up with a warmer storm, which basically means whether we'll see a lot of snow or a wintry mix or rain. Not sure yet, but just know that the end of this upcoming weekend into early next week will feature yet another storm. Look for lows in the lower to mid-20s over the interior, upper 20s to mid-30s along the coast, and high temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior and mid-30s to lower 40s along the coast. Again, the faster this transitions towards the coast, the more likely to see that colder result, which means temperatures around, let's say, 35. But if it takes longer, then you're more likely to be around 40 along the coast, which means rain. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.